Namaste! Welcome to chair yoga to strengthen and support your immune system. Before we start, I'd like to add a little note here that this video is not intended to cure any illnesses or diseases. If you're sick, you need to seek medical advice first and visit your primary care physician. This video will only show you tools that can help strengthen and support your immune system. So with that being said, let's take a seat, sit at the edge of your chair. Feet are hip-width apart, ankles directly under your knees. Rest your palms on your thighs and soften your shoulders. Then take a big belly breath in through your nose. Big belly breath out. Take one more deep belly breath in through your nose. Fill your belly rib cage up to your collarbones with air. Deep breath out, empty your chest, rib cage, and then your belly. Wonderful. Then release your hands down, flip your palms open, take a big breath in, raise your arms up, all the way up, keep breathing. Keep reaching up one arm at a time, as if you're picking apples from the tree. So this way you're opening up your side body, you're lengthening your spine. Keep reaching up and at the same time, root down through your sitting bones. So this will create space in your back and your spine. Good job. And then release, lower your arms down. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, open your arms in cactus position. There's a 90-degree angle by your elbows. Then as you inhale, open your chest, bring your arms out to the sides. As you exhale, round your spine, bring your elbows and hands towards each other as if you're closing like a flower. So inhale, open your chest and arms out. Exhale, round your spine. Bring your hands and elbows towards each other. Chin to your chest. Inhale, open like a flower. And exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale to close and contract. Inhale to open back up. And stay. Exhale. Lower your arms down. Place the back of your left hand right by your lower back. With your right hand, gently grab hold of the side of your head. On your exhale, bring your right ear towards your right shoulder for a gentle neck stretch. Release any neck tension on each exhale and also hold on gently to your head. No need to pull your head down. This is just meant to add a little bit of extra weight. So the reason why we're doing neck stretches is that our body has a lymphatic system, which is part of the immune system, and you can see it as the sewerage system or the body's drainage system. It helps to clean up any waste, it keeps your body's needs in balance, and there's a whole concentration of lymph nodes in your neck, armpits, and groin. By stretching these three main areas, helps promote a healthy movement of nutrients and waste. Then slowly and mindfully, bring your head back to center, release your hand, switching sides. Place the back of your right hand onto your lower back. And then as you exhale, left ear goes to your left shoulder. Hold on to your head with your left hand. Just adding a little bit of extra weight. No need to yank or pull your head down. And breathe deeply. See if you can extend the exhale, or at least get all the stale and stagnant air out of your body. When you're extending the exhales, it's like telling your body that it's okay to relax. It will help relax your muscles. So use this to your advantage. Release any neck tension with each exhale. And keep everything else that you don't need right now relaxed. Relax your face, unclench your jaw, relax the muscles behind and around your eyes. And then very slowly, mindfully release your head, bring your head back to center, and lower your left hand down. Rest your palms on your thighs, relax your shoulders, breathe in, breathe out, lower your chin down towards your chest, and do a few half circles. So we're doing neck rolls, rolling your head from side to side. No need to make a full circle, that's to protect your neck. Go nice and slow. And pause wherever you feel some tenderness or tightness. Release any tension with an exhale. And then slowly bring your chin back to center. Eyes are at horizon. Now shrug your shoulders up towards your ears as you inhale, all the way up like you're Frankenstein, and as you exhale, let it go, drop them down. So you can breathe out through your mouth. Do it again. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, let it go. Release it all. Last one. Inhale, hike your shoulders up. Exhale, release. Take a moment to check in with your neck and shoulders. Notice how you feel. Now take your right leg and then gently rest your right ankle on top of your left knee. Flex your right foot. So here you'll have a gentle hip stretch to open a groin, another area where there's a concentration of lymph nodes. Take a deep breath. And then slowly release. Plant your right foot back down, switching sides. Place your left ankle on top of your right knee. Flex your left foot. You can hold on to your left leg. Take a few deep breaths. And release. Place your left foot down. Lean with your right forearm onto your thighs. As you inhale, lift your left arm up towards the back. Exhale, reach up and maybe reach a little bit overhead towards your right side. So this is targeting and stretching the armpit area, also an area where there's a concentration of lymph nodes, stretching it out. And then switching sides. Rest your left forearm on your knees, your thighs. As you inhale, reach your right arm up and over, stretching out your right armpit. Take a few deep breaths. And then slowly lower your right arm down. Now you're resting on both forearms on your thighs. And gently as you exhale, lower your head all the way down. Relax the back of your neck. Take long, deep breaths. Release any tension. Drop it down into the earth. Drop everything that you don't need right now. Taking deep breaths is one of the best ways to lower stress in your body. Stress can weaken your immune system. So when you breathe deeply, it's sending a message, a signal to your brain that it's okay to calm down and relax. And then your brain sends a signal back to your body. On your next inhale, plant your hands on your thighs and slowly, mindfully walk yourself back up, sit up tall. Before we finish, let's do some gentle tapping over the thymus. The thymus is responsible for many immune system functions, and tapping over the thymus will help give your immune system a little boost. Gently tap with your fingertips over your breastbone. Your thymus is located right behind your breastbone, your sternum, and right in front of your heart. So just a few gentle taps, and then release your hands down. Place your palms on your thighs and take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Notice how you feel. And then let's seal this practice together. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to take good care of yourself. May this practice be a blessing to you, and thank you so much for joining me. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you or if you have any requests for future videos. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.